Okay, we continue with the creating the measure. Yeah, create simple measure. So in the report view, page 2, in the data pane, drag the sales unit price into the matrix visual, and then after that sales unit price. Yeah, and then notice that by default, yeah, it is aggregate as a average. Yeah, this one, average unit price. Okay, so let's do it. Sales unit price. Okay, then after that this is the report view. After that this is the matrix. Then in the value here, okay, so sales unit price. Okay, so automatically will be aggregated as a average. Okay, average price. So we're going to change this average price with the measure. To create the measure in the data, select right click the sales table and then new measure. And then yeah, so the measure must attach to the table or the data. So here, this is the measure, average price. Yeah, so measure to the sales table. Here, sales table. Okay, so go to the table and then go to the sales table. This one. Then new measure. Okay, average price equal to this. Okay, calculating. Yeah, so we have the average price here. Created, yeah, average price. Okay, now yeah, we already done. Add the average price to the matrix visual. Notice that it produces the same result as unit price. Okay, in the value you drag the AVG price. Okay, yeah, so in the report, after that select the matrix. In the value, yeah, here we drag the average price. Okay, so the value are the same. Yeah, okay, the value are the same. Use the snippet the file definition to create the following 5 measures of the sales table. Yeah? Median price, minimum price, maximum price, all in the sales table. Okay, so we'll do that. Yeah, so here in the table, yeah, go to the sales table. Okay, new measure. So there are 5 additional measures you have to create. You can open from this. Yeah, median. Okay, so one by one. Okay, enter. Yeah, then after that new measure again. Minimum price. And then the maximum price. Then orders. And one more, the order lines. Okay, so you see in the sales, yeah, we have the measure 6, yeah, average price, maximum price, median price, minimum price, order lines, yeah, and the orders. So this column that the shown in the icon with the calculator icon are the measure. Yeah, you can drag and drop, use just like a column. Okay, then after that go back to this. Yes, switch model view. After that multi-select, average price, maximum price, median price, minimum price, and then the format, yeah, 2 decimal value. Okay, average price, average, max, median, minimum. Average table view, yeah, average, and then after that hold the control button, max, and then medium, and then a minimum. Okay, I think model view, yeah, so this one, sales table, maximum price, median price, minimum price, and then the average price. Correct or not? So let's check again. Yeah, median, average price, maximum, median, minimum. That's correct. Okay? So 2 decimal, and then the folder is pricing. Okay, so here in the properties, decimal value is the 2 decimal, correct? And then the display folder is pricing. So it will be displayed in a separate group. Yeah. So the pricing, you see here, pricing, yeah, there are 4, yeah, average price, maximum price, median price, minimum price. Okay, then let's go back here. Hide the unit price column. Okay, so unit price is hidden. Okay, then multi-select the order lines and orders, and then counts. Yeah, order lines, orders, count. 1000 separator. Order lines, orders. So order lines and orders. Okay, goes to the table, order lines, order. Sorry, modeling, yeah. Order lines, then the orders. Okay, so the comma separator, 1000 separator. After that, the set the format to use a 1000 separator. Assign to display the folder name counts. Yeah, okay. So the folder counts, display folder. Okay, yeah, this is grouped into the separate folder. Okay, and then after that continue. In the report view, in the value for unit price field, select cross, yeah, to remove, yeah. Okay, you don't want the unit price. Increase the size, okay, already. And then add the following 5 measure. Okay, so unit price you want to remove. Okay, yeah, average unit price, you're going to remove it, this one. Yeah, remove. After that, you're going to add the this 5 additional column, which is the median, minimum, maximum, orders, order line. Median, minimum, maximum. Okay, so click. After that, go to the where is it just now? In the sales, and then after that wait, yeah, we need to add this measure that just now we created in a pricing display folder, and order is average price, medium, minimum, maximum. Okay, median, maximum, minimum, median, median, minimum, maximum. Median, after that minimum, maximum. Correct. Median, minimum, maximum, and then orders, order line. Okay. Yep. So edit ready. Then you can see the result is like this. Yeah. Okay. The result is correct. Verify. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to create the additional measure. So use the in the report view page 1. Then notice the total of the target column 676210. Okay. Select the table visual and then remove the target field. Yeah, page 1. Okay, so I going to configure, make it bigger. So the format there, the column header is 16, and then the row value 16. Okay, yeah, so like this. Now you're going to, after you get this, you remove the target. I already remove. Select the table visual, then visualization target field. Rename the target column as the target amount. Target amount. Okay. Target. Okay, you're going to rename this target amount. Okay. Then add to the this under the yep, target. So like this, 676210. Yeah, correct. Decimal value 2. Yeah. Or just now, did I miss to configure the decimal for the target? Okay. Okay, never mind. So let's have a look here. Oh yeah, 3 decimal point. That's okay. Okay, create the following measure on the targets table. Yeah, target equal to this. Targets. Yep. Okay, so this one is in the target table. So click the link on the targets, new column or new measure. Sorry. Create the following measure on the targets target table. Targets. Yeah. New measure. Okay. Column target amount is okay. Target amount. Just no targets. This one is target. Oh, okay, okay. We have not rename, yeah. Okay, so target amount is without space. Rename. Yeah, so this is should be correct. Yeah, no space between the target and amount. Okay, the has on if value function tests whether the single value in a salesperson column is filtered. Yeah, when the true, the expression return the sum of target amount. When false, then a blank is written. Okay, so use the target measure tools, yeah, for the 0 decimal, and then hide the target amount column. Okay, target amount, right click, hide, then target measure 0 decimal value. Okay, 0 decimal target amount, hide. Yeah, target amount, hide, and then target measure the 0 decimal. Okay, so we're going to change the decimal to the 0 for the target. Yeah? 0 decimal. Okay, 2 round. Okay, then after that we continue with a few more steps. Add the target measure to the table visual. Notice that it is now blank, yeah, the total. Target to the table visual. So this taken from the target's target. Okay, yeah, the same content, only that this is a measure, so not aggregated by default. . Okay, use snippet file definition to create the following two measures for the targets table: variance and variance margin. Okay, so variance and variance margin for the two measure. So here, go to the table. Okay, so select the target table, and then after that, new measure. This is for the variance. Okay, then add one more. Variance margin. Okay, variance margin already been added here in the target. So we're going to use that table. Format the variance measure to 0 decimal, and then variance margins percentage with 2 decimal value. So variance 0 decimal. Okay, so 0 decimal. Format the variance margin as a percentage with the 2 decimal value. Okay, 2 decimal value. After that, the percentage. Yep. Then after that, add the variance and variance margin to the table visual. Variance margin. Variance, and then variance margin. Okay, yeah, so this one you don't need already, only use the measure. Yep, correct. Yeah. At the top right, the owner of data pane collapse and expand the open page. Collapse and then expand open the pane. This one. Collapse, yeah. And then after that, expand all. Okay, this is the appearance of the data table. Notice that the target table now appears at the top of the list. Yeah? Target, sales, and test percent. Those are the table that use. Okay, yeah, 3 tables. Tables that comprise only visible measure are automatically listed at the top of the list. Yeah, okay, so that's the explanation why you have the targets table on the top. Okay, let's have a look on the screenshot. Yeah, provide screenshot of the salesperson table. Okay, salesperson table is here. Okay, wait. Yeah, this salesperson table. Yeah, this one. Okay. I think we need to modify salesperson performance. Let me try to. Salesperson, yeah. Target salesperson. Yep. So salesperson, press enter. Okay, salesperson, right click, inactive, yeah. Okay, let's try to rename fiscal, and after that rename target. Okay, all good. Yeah, so we just need to screenshot the salesperson table. So this one. One is sales. Now this one salesperson. See, this you go. Salesperson table. Copy, upgrade, put into the this. Number 2, provide screenshot of the date table with the all column and hierarchy. Date table. Column and hierarchy. Okay, the third one, create the simple measure. Provide the screenshot of the created measure. Okay, create the measure. Yeah, so the measure, this is the measure. Okay, so the measure is the target, and then the too far. Targets, and then after that the yeah, so the measure is located under the target the folder, a target table, and then the sales table. Yep, so that's the targets, and then after that the sales table, this one. So screenshot the measure. Yeah, minimize a bit. Okay, so this is the measure you can put here. Yeah, create the symbol measure, provide screenshot of the created measure. Provide screenshot of the date table with the all column hierarchy. Yeah, date and the hierarchy. Provide sales screenshot salesperson table, this one. Yeah, okay, so with this then everything completed until the milestone 3 completed. So I save this, then you can submit it.